What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Milady Memecoin fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys, man. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Milady Memecoin is taking over the space, man. One of the strongest meme coins in the space right now, man. We're gonna dive into it. Why I really think that, you know, Milady's has a shot for a ton of X's, a ton of upside, and for it to change people's lives. Maybe potentially make a ton of millionaires, man, going into the next bull run, guys. So if you hold Milady Memecoin, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral, guys. Get it to 10,000 views. Share it all over Twitter. If you hold Milady Memecoin, man, we're supposed to be going viral with these videos. We gotta spread awareness, so you gotta support content creators. Now, when we take a look at the Milady Memecoin chart on CoinMarketCap, you can see we are at $24.58 million in market cap, $3 million in 24-hour trade volume. What is super nice about it, guys? Again, like I say, it's following Bitcoin. Look at that, man. This is so amazing to me, bro. The chart is literally hand in hand with Bitcoin as a meme coin. Normally you only see this in altcoins, but I guess you could consider meme coins as altcoins, right? But you know, like, meme coins have a mind of their own. If they're gonna flop and go to zero, trust me, they're gonna flop and go to zero. It don't matter what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin could be pumping, and terrible meme coins or terrible projects have a mind of their own. Bitcoin could be going up while they go down. But Ladies has so much liquidity and is holding up so well compared to the Bitcoin chart. Look at the Ladies chart compared to Bitcoin on the 7-day, guys. The brownish line or orange, dark, I don't know what color that is, but that line is Bitcoin, and the blue line is Ladies. And we could see, like, going into today's Sunday, right? Markets are typically slow on the weekends. Going into tomorrow, throughout the rest of the week, I think we're gonna see a nice move up, man. It looks to me like we're ready for that breakout, guys. You can see, like, even in Bitcoin chart, it's starting to pop up a bit, and Ladies looking like it's ready to follow, man. You know, just on the smaller time frames, guys. Look at this. You see the 1-day chart, how we're having this nice uptrend. I'm gonna take a look at our trading view as well. But again, what I keep saying is that one thing I've noticed, like I said, is that what really is gonna hold up this project is the crypto.com listing and the KuCoin listing, guys. There's a ton of whales or people that protect charts on certain exchanges, in my opinion. And if you take a look at, for example, not to mention another project, but I know a lot of people that are in the crypto.com ecosystem, or Chronos exchange, crypto.com Chronos ecosystem, crypto.com exchange. They're bullish on Dogecoin Mars, and if you could take a look at Dogecoin Mars, it's literally performing the same way because it's one of the standard meme coins that's actually listed on crypto.com. There's only a few meme coins that are listed on crypto.com, guys. That to me is the third biggest exchange as far as, like, tier ones go. It's, for me, it's Coinbase, Binance, and then crypto.com. Those are the three biggest exchanges, right? And then KuCoin is fourth. So because of those tier 1 exchange listings, because of the crypto.com listing, I think Milady has a good shot going into the next bull cycle, because unlike Dogecoin, no disrespect to the Dogecoin holders, it's already seen a bull market. Dogecoin Mars has already seen a bull market. When it first got that crypto.com listing, it absolutely, like, exploded, right? You know, going into when Bitcoin was heading to 60K, right? Bitcoin was heading to 60, 69K, and then boom, Dogecoin Mars exploded. But now you got a ton of holders in the Dogecoin Mars project that are underwater, guys. All of this retrace right here, a lot of people are underwater, and that's why people have a saying that you should probably get into projects that came out, you know, nearing the end of the bear market or the start of the bull market, right? And you know, you can see that with Ladies, guys. Since it's listed on crypto.com, it hasn't seen a bull market yet. Look at the all chart. It hasn't seen a bull market yet, right? So this is the all-time high back here. but a lot of the people in the project aren't as underwater as the Dogecoin Mars chart. The people in Dogecoin Mars chart are down like 99%, right? And as soon as it starts to recover those losses, they're gonna be selling. Whereas with the Milady meme coin, there's people, if you bought up here, you're still down around what, 40%, 50%. It doesn't take much for it to start to get back to these highs and eventually make a new all-time high. You can see out the 1 year chart how stable the meme coin is. And like I said, when there's a ton of new retail investors that do finally get into the space, guess where they're going to, man? They're gonna go to meme coins that they see are pumping 50 to 100% on the day. And they're gonna be FOMOing into the green candles, right? And that's when you start taking profits, guys. So just hold out, in my opinion. Not financial advice, obviously, but hold out, in my opinion, because it has that crypto.com exchange listed. It does have an edge over a lot of other projects, because there's so many altcoins in the space that don't even have that crypto.com listing, right? Don't even have a KuCoin listing, right? So Milady meme coin does have that edge, and I think Coinbase could be next. Coinbase and Binance could be next for Milady meme coin, as long as we stay active as the community, right? Because it's community that's really gonna drive this project forward. That's gonna drive this project to that next level. We could also take a look at Etherscan, have it pulled up right here. 15,000 holders. So that's why I said, like, the wallet distribution is great. 15,000 holders, right? Pepe right now is at 140,000 holders. So imagine when Lady starts to get more holders coming into the space. I think it's when the markets overall start to get more bullish and people see Lady start to pump 20 to 30%. That's when you're gonna see the holder count grows, right? But look at that. The second biggest wallet right now for ladies is crypto.com exchange, 8%, and Gate.io has another 8%. So that's 16%. Not even 16, because Bybit has a wallet as well, a big wallet, 4%, another 3. So you could say basically 25% of the ladies tokens are out of circulation, and they're being held by the exchanges, right? Bybit, Mexi, Huobi. Now the exchanges could sell their bags, but I don't think they're gonna do that to their customers, guys. Not until the bull run, okay? So you gotta be wary. When the bull run is come, be aggressive with your selling, in my opinion. Right now, you just stack your bags. But yeah, crypto.com, Gate.io, Bybit, Mexi, Huobi, all are the biggest holders of the project. They got a few whales that have big bags as well, and then they probably got the Uniswap wallet right here, multi-sig wallet for more exchanges or giveaways or whatever else, right? But around 25% of this whole total supply is out of circulation and being held by the exchanges, right? So that's pretty great stuff, guys, if you think about it, right? That is very bullish for ladies. And you can see, look at that, it's already starting to pop up a bit. I'm telling you, going into Monday is gonna start to be a bit more bullish, man. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin coming back down. I think from tomorrow, man, we should, when the stock market opens, we should start to see a bounce. That's what I'm hoping for. I could be wrong, but we'll see, man. Ladies at official Twitter, 65.6k followers. Embrace the godlike aura of ladies and witness the magic unfold. May her divine blessings guide your path to success. They're just keeping up the memes, man, which is great. As far as utility goes, remember, these are meme coins. I'm not gonna be stressing about utility. There's so many projects in the space that do nothing, and they're at crazy high market caps, right? I'm just what I'm looking for as far as the ladies team to deliver is more exchange listings, the big tier ones, like even Coinbase experimental asset label. Let me pull that up to show you guys. Coinbase experimental asset. A lot of projects that have low market cap and pretty low trade volume. Milady meme coin still has great trade volume, right? $3 million in 24-hour trade volume, right? That's amazing stuff, right? I remember last year they had a ton of projects listed on Coinbase under the experimental asset label. They were altcoins, they had use case, some of them were layer ones, some of them were DeFi projects, and you know, their volume wasn't that great, you know. They didn't have as much awareness or anything like that, and they still got listed on the experimental asset label for Coinbase. So I think the team should really be doing their best to get on the Coinbase experimental asset label, because they're already on crypto.com, man. That's a big deal right there. They're already on KuCoin. So to get on Coinbase with that experimental asset label is a great possibility for the project. What the experimental asset label entails is to be from Coinbase to be transparent and help customers make informed decisions. We've added an experimental asset label to certain tradable assets that are either new to our platform or have relatively low trade volume compared to our broader crypto marketplace. We encourage you to exercise caution with these assets as they come with certain risk. No, the experimental asset label will not impact your ability to send, receive, buy, or hold assets on Coinbase. For relevant assets, the experimental asset label will appear on the asset detail page for customers who are signed in for their account. So that's what I'm saying. Like last year they did that experiment, and I think they're still listing through this label, guys. So that, as far as the team, that's what I'm looking for from the team. Not really utility per se, but just a bunch of exchange listings, man. Well, let me not even say team, because this is decentralized. This is a decentralized meme coin. So the top community members of the project, I'm looking for those more exchange listings, and you can see the trend. We're starting to bounce up a bit, so it's pretty nice, man. Main City Empire, which new meme coin is Binance listing? Hashtag ladies, man. I'm telling you, there's no crypto. When it comes to crypto, it is very you know, unexpected. Things happen that you never see coming, right? So Binance listing could happen in the future as well, man. Every time you think about selling ladies, imagine how much your future self will regret. From Baba Wanga, I would buy this bag. Ladies, let me know if I missed anything. Shill me your gems. So they have someone called Blockchain Maven, 3K followers, asking someone gives you 100K to choose between 4 crypto bags to invest in. Which one would you choose, right? And look at this. B. We're next to XRP, INJ, BNB, ladies, Fed ARB, right? XRP in the same category as ladies, man. Come on, man. People have taken notice, guys. I'm telling you. Sig P still dating Milady. He always adding to his bags, man. He got some high conviction, and it's gonna pay off, right? That's how you gotta be, man. If you got high conviction on a project, show it. Don't panic sell. Don't, you know, rush out of the project diamond hand. If it's holding up great, the chart and everything checks out, even if it's a meme coin, man. Look at Dogecoin Mars, how long it's been going sideways for. All of that consolidation just leads to a huge bounce in the future, man. All of this sideways action could just lead to a huge bounce in the future going into the bull cycle. So shout out to Sig P from Ben Sonning. When one knows what one lives, one can endure any kind of life. When one knows the value of ladies, one can endure any kind of slump. So we got the Asian community as well, continuously talking about the project, guys. Look at him having ladies in his bio. Very bullish stuff. I'm not gonna fade this one. Even a little bit of exposure to this project to me is gonna be a good deal, because like I said, just as far as the crypto.com listing, and now it's a part of that ecosystem, there's a set amount of US users that only use crypto.com. Like there's literally a Twitter, you know, there's crypto Twitter, there's literally a crypto.com Twitter, where it's just a bunch of people, US citizens and people from around the world, that just use crypto.com as their main exchange. I'm not fading that community, right? So when projects, like I said, there's only a few meme coins on crypto.com. Ladies is one of them. Elon is one of them. But the upside for Milady meme coin is that it doesn't have any underwater bag holders, and it's never seen a bull market before. Think about the projects that have never seen a bull market. When they finally do see a bull market, they more than likely will outperform projects that have already seen previous cycles, right? And that's what I'm that's what I'm betting on for ladies, guys. Again, manage your risk. Like I said, only a little bit of exposure for meme coins, guys. Don't bet your whole portfolio on it. Diversify. Have some good altcoins. Have a meme coin bag, right? And you know, just wait until the bull cycle, man. Milady meme coin fan, thanks so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself is in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral. And my Patreon is in the first link of the description. Join the Patreon for exclusive plays, guys. We'll be crushing it on the Patreon, and you know, I want y'all to join and get these games with me, right? Only exclusive to the Patreon though, so join up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next